a reel, frame by frame, chasing something real, living in the now, yeah, it's all legit. If it's worth remembering, you know it, shot it. Breathe it in, let the beauty take control. Creation's a mirror to the maker of my soul. And shot it, yeah, shot it.
I've just jumped off the bus at St. Paul's Bay and I'm looking for a nice quiet spot to go for a dip. Preferably a skinny dip.
Got my fingers crossed for a little freaky deaky.
But we'll see what we can find. The more secluded and quiet the spot is, obviously the better. I absolutely love the architecture of these private houses. It's very simplistic in its exterior design, but I love the rustic feel to them, along with these pillared balconies and the aging of the stone. It's absolutely gorgeous. And a lot of these houses, they also have these fountains and gorgeous outdoor decorations.
It's not just pixels, not just a view, it's the feeling of creation shining right through. From the morning dew to the mountain peaks, it's God's artwork, hear the silence speak. Every shutter's a prayer, every edit's a song, a reminder the world's been spinning all along. Every shot tells a story, every frame's a line, a testament to his design so divine. I'm living through the lens but present in my heart, and shot it, capturing the perfect art.
Exploring St. Paul's Bay is going pretty well, but by the look of the clouds behind me, we're going to be in for quite a storm. But hopefully, as it's quite windy, the clouds will just mooch on over, and hopefully within half an hour the rain is going to stop. But it's just starting drizzling now, and I think I need to find myself a bit of shelter because it's going to start putting it down, I'd say within the next 5 minutes. I've just stopped over at this lovely cafe behind me to grab a large Americano and enjoy the view. And then I'm literally 2 minutes away from my destination, a nice secluded beach, which I hope is going to be empty. The weather is a bit chilly, a little bit windy, a little bit cloudy, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it's going to be nice and empty, and I can just stay there for maybe an hour in my birthday suit.
We gonna go full, buck full crazy.
And let the wind caress my crevices. I think I made a friend.
I am the Birdman.
A couple of friends maybe.
Birdman daddy.
That's a first.
And travels, living life so free. In every corner there's a story to see. Follow your heart, let the journey unfold. With antshotit, every frame is gold.
I finally arrived at this little treasure trove. As you can see behind me, it is very secluded. The color of the water is absolutely gorgeous, and I think it will make for a very lovely nude swim.
Because I want to play my dick is bigger than yours. It is. We both know it.
Breathe it in, let the beauty take control. Creation's a mirror to the maker of my soul. And shot it, yeah, shot it. It's not just the gear or the angles I choose, it's the magic in the mundane.
The water is absolutely gorgeous. It's so refreshing. Oh.
I get my camera slung and the sun's breaking through. Every frame I snap feels like it's brand new. The world's a gallery painted in divine hues, and through my lens I'm catching all the clues. Big snap time's rolling like a reel, frame by frame, chasing something real, living in the now, yeah, it's all legit. If it's worth remembering, you know it, shot it. Breathe it in, let the beauty take control. Creation's a mirror to the maker of my soul. And shot it, yeah, shot it. It's not just the gear or the angles I choose, it's the magic.
This is the kind of thing that just tickles my balls.
This hidden little beach is definitely St. Paul's best kept secret. It is absolutely incredible. And when you don't have a when you don't have any underwear on or any swim trunks.
Perfect.
It's even better. The sensation is absolutely unreal when the water is caressing every single crevice of your body. It is so exhilarating. It is so freeing, and it honestly fills your soul and your heart full of joy. If you want to go for a skinny dip or just spend some time quietly meditating or doing some yoga, this is definitely the spot for you. Not many people know about this place.
It's classified.
The best thing of all, that little getaway spot, that little beach, is literally a 2-minute walk from the cafe where I got the gorgeous Americano. And in fact, it was so good that I'm going back over there now for a second Americano. It's only €2 a go. And you can, when you smell it, you can just
Stings the nostrils.
that richness and pungency, if that's a word.
Oh.
That pungent smell of like fresh ground dark coffee. The bitterness when you taste it is just it's beautiful. Just what I need after that swim. The smell of this Americano activates all of my chakras and sends just tingling sensation all over my spine, up and down my spine. Let me just fix my mustache to make myself maximally photogenic.
Antshotit capturing the vibe, and travels where the soul takes flight, through the mountains, the stars, and the endless night. With intuition as the guide we trust, spreading joy and love, it's a wanderlust. Travels living life so free. In every corner there's a story to see. Follow your heart, let the journey unfold. With Antshotit, every frame is gold.
I've been exploring St. Paul's for a good few hours now, and I've built up an appetite. I'm hungry! So I'm heading to a place called Fins and Gills. It's got a 4.8 star rating on Google reviews, and it is a fish and chip shop. They do other seafood as well, and I'm yet to try seafood here in Malta. I've got a feeling it's going to be very good because the sea is a stone's throw away, so the seafood is supposed to be really fresh and really tasty. What am I gonna get? I think I'm going to get fried calamari. The fish and chip shop is literally around this corner, and I'm excited to see what the food tastes like. Can I have a portion of the breaded calamari, please?
No worries, for here or takeaway?
Takeaway, please.
Takeaway, no worries.
Without, please. Yeah.
No worries. To drink while you wait. So drinks on this side and beer on the back.
I'll have a chisk, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Maybe at the end if you don't mind.
Beautiful. Thank you.
No worries, takeaway, yeah?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Any sauces for takeaway, sir?
What sauces are there?
I'll try the sauce if you'd like.
That would be amazing. Thank you.
It's made in-house.
Oh, perfect.
Tartar sauce, here's the next one to dip.
Thank you so much.
Some cutlery. Here you are. 10 euros, 10 cents, over please.
Thank you very much.
Here you go.
Amazing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good evening. Thank you. Got the food. Got the beer. The food is piping hot, it's fresh, it's incredibly well seasoned. It smells amazing, and I haven't even tried it yet. And I'm so excited to try it.
Fucking peanut peanut butter and jealous.
Yeah, buddy!
The way the zest from the lemon interacts with the seasonings and the texture of the squid, honestly, it's unbelievable. You have to try it to see what I'm talking about. Like, I don't have the vocabulary to describe this food. It's that good. Fried seafood and nice cold beer. It's like a match made in heaven. Oh. There's also shrimp, but I'm going to save that for last because it's going to be really messy peeling it. Now let's talk about the price. So the fried calamari is only €8 without chips. There's literally nothing for the quality of the food that you get and the portion size. Whilst I was queuing, I had about 3 people tell me how good this place is, just random passers-by. The Google reviews for this place are incredible. The staff are very friendly. The place is clean. The service that you get here is second to none. And it's perfectly situated on a corner where you can just grab a seat and watch life go by. Watch pedestrians, watch cars. It's very good.
Very good.
Yeah, it's incredible.
What is the best?
It depends what you like. I got the breaded calamari. You know, the squid.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Make sure you get they do like tartar sauce, homemade, and just.
Are you British?
Ukrainian. Ukrainian, but live in the UK.
Okay.
Where are you
Because
guys from?
In Britain, they also have
Fish and chips.
Yeah.
Chips, yeah,
Where are you from?
Poland.
Poland.
Oh, nice.
Neighbor.
Neighbours, yeah. I saved the shrimp for last because I thought they were going to be messy trying to peel them. But what I actually found, all you need to do is detach the head, and you don't actually need to peel them to eat them. You can eat them with the shell. Now, this is the first and only place where I could actually eat the shrimp with the shell on, and it didn't taste disgusting. It actually added to the texture and to the flavor. So that was a very nice surprise that I didn't even have to like shell the shrimp. You can just detach the head and just eat it pretty much as it is, and it was so delicious. My goodness, what a satisfying meal that was. I've been craving fresh seafood for ages, and calamari is my absolute favorite. Would I recommend this place? Absolutely. If you're a fan of seafood, there's no other place like this in St. Paul's Bay.
In every corner there's a story to see. Follow your heart, let the journey unfold. With ANTSHOTIT, every frame is gold.